uses a lot of water and energy, all resources that connect with global warming. Food must be grown to feed the animals that need to grow. Water cleaned by water filtration facilities that use energy created by fossil fuels. Animals consume a lot of water. A chicken consumes about 3,000 liters of water during its lifetime. Even more surprising, a cow weighing 1,660 pounds drinks about 14,940,000 liters of water throughout its life. Livestock need a large amount of feed. From the corn or grass for cows to the grain for chicken, all of this food needs water to grow. Water treatment plants need energy, and this energy is produced by fossil fuels. For more information on impacts of water and climate change, see the water conservation video in this series. To help conserve the water that is used for livestock, eating less meat is a good option. If all Americans skipped one meal of chicken a week and substituted vegetarian food, the impact would be more like taking 5 million cars off the U.S. roads used by water, harvesting feed, and transportation. It takes 6.7 pounds of grain, 52.8 gallons of drinking water, 74.5 square feet of land for grazing, and 1,036 BTUs for feed production and transportation for a quarter-pounder hamburger. That's enough to power a microwave for 18 minutes. Climate change is a global issue and encompasses many fields like becoming a vegetarian or thinking of what goes into your hamburger. And animal husbandry is a big part of farming that could be improved to address the issue of climate change.